I am Tetsuya Matsumoto from Matsuya Artworks KTX ArchiLAB. I will present our design, the Origami Arc, which is a showroom for Sansho company. Our client is a leather manufacturer who produces leather materials mainly for shoes and bags from the cowhide. Leather making has been a traditional business in our region, Himeji, for more than 1,000 years. The client wanted to have a showroom to hold business meetings with the partners such as shoemakers and bag manufacturers in order to expand their business. We were asked to design a building with an impressive display inside. The showroom was built next to the client's business office and their factory. The showroom is in red, while the office and factory are in yellow. The site stands next to the high-speed Shinkansen railroad tracks. Hundreds of Shinkansen trains pass by every day. As shown on this section, the showroom is on the left, while the Shinkansen railroad tracks are on the right. A narrow road separates the land area and the tracks. Few people drive on this road. It means that this building is mostly seen by Shinkansen passengers. Shinkansen trains travel at 300 kilometers per hour. We created a unique shape for the structure to suddenly impress the viewer. You will see it soon. Here it is again in slow motion. It seems like a big white spaceship is passing in front of you like an arrow. The horizontal lines of the structure are parallel to the direction of Shinkansen trains. The high speed of trains seems to generate a movement in the building. Passengers ask, "What is that white object we passed by just now?" The architecture itself has become an advertisement without a written word. The building occupies roughly 440 square meters and it is made of steel framework. The sharply angled wall juts out 3 meters towards the railroad tracks, which is the red line on this plan. Here is a section. The height of this building is 7.6 meters. A white steel roofing material covers the metallic framework of the building, including the angular building extension. The side view of the structure also looks like an arc made by origami. But most importantly, our client gave us 2 requests about inside of the showroom. The first was to make a space to display at least 3,000 leather materials in it. The second was to impress visitors with a huge variety of leather products. Here's our solution. We managed to host 3,000 leather materials in a single space with a huge 3-dimensional fixture. The client's business partners visit both the showroom and the factory, so we wanted to create the same factory atmosphere by using a hard display fixture. Visitors surely recognize the enormous range of products at a glance here. We created a 3-dimensional jungle gym-like display fixture by putting 83 small units together irregularly. We used 100 by 100 millimeters steel pipes to build this huge framework. Each unit within the fixture is 1.5 by 1.5 by 2 meters. And there are 4 different types of units. Unit 1 is a hanger type. Leather products are hung on wooden poles within the fixture. 20 leather sheets can be exhibited here. This display is similar to the one used to dry the leather in the factory. Unit 2 is a 6-layered shelf type. 180 leather sheets can be set here. Unit 3 is a table type. 60 leather sheets can be exhibited. This unit is 90 centimeters high, and visitors can spread the leather sheets on the top to see the products. Or it can also function as a floor to the higher level. Unit 4 is a drawer type. This unit is for showing relatively small products. 100 items can be set. Now, how did we combine all these units together? Here's an axonometric projection on level 1. This slide shows levels 1 and 2, now with level 3. Each level is 2 meters high. OSB wood panels on the walls and ceiling create warm atmosphere, while the concrete floor and the steel framework give visitors a cold feeling like in the factory next door. A shot from level 2. Steel checker plates are used for the corridors and the stairs. A photo from level 3. We used the steel mesh expanded metal on the floor of level 3 in order to allow light to pass through. This shot is taken from level 2 under the steel mesh. Lastly, allow me to finish with this time-lapse video. It shows how walking through this complex fixture provides visitors an exploring experience similar to that encountered in the maze. The client will certainly be excited to discover the huge variety of leather products. Thank you very much.